Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and today I have a book outlet order that I did for my son. He just turned 8, and it's a birthday book box. Alright guys, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I'm a Christian stay-at-home homeschool mama. I have 7 kids, and if you're not brand new to my channel, you may be wondering what in the world is going on in the background. It's kind of a mess, and I'm going to get to that in the next video. We have a huge surprise to announce in our next video, and this is kind of the beginnings of that. So if you want to try and guess, leave a comment in the comment section. And anyways, real quick before I get started, if you haven't ordered from Book Outlet before, they do huge savings on books all the time. If you order using the link in the description of this video, you will get a coupon code to save even more money. And if you spend over $35, you get free shipping. So you can just stack all the savings up and get great finds. We have found so many great books. We've built up our home library, and I am loving it. But every time one of my kiddos has a birthday, I started doing this last year where I ordered them a whole Book Outlet order of books just for them. So in this box, I didn't do a ton of books. I think I only had 6 here, but these are the ones I ordered for my son. He just turned 8. So over the course of, this is part of the reason I only did a few books, because over the course of the past year, I have been collecting these Tales from Maple Ridge, this series for my oldest son. And this is, I'm missing 2. I'm missing number 1 and number 2. So this is number 1. So I went ahead and ordered this one. I am loving these. He hasn't read any of them yet. He doesn't even know I have them. So he's gonna get them, almost the whole collection except for number 2. I'm still looking for that one, but almost the whole set. And this is a hardcover book, and I love, because he's still a beginning reader, so I love the way the words are really big. There's lots of pictures. I think these are going to really encourage him, and because I'll give him almost the whole set. I'm a little bummed I don't have the whole set yet, but anyway, as I give them to him, I think that he's going to enjoy them. So this one, it's hardcover, like I said, was $6.62. That's more than I normally spend on Book Outlet. I usually really look for those good bargains, and this is a little higher, but like I said, I'm collecting the series, so I was okay with that one. Okay, the next one I picked up, I don't know, we're kind of on a Richard Scarry kick right now, so I was excited when I saw that Book Outlet had Richard Scarry books, and the one I picked out was this one. It is the Early Readers collection, the Busy Reader collection, and it even says it has a poster with over 30 stickers. I haven't looked into that much, but it does have, you can see here, the ones that are included. It's got 1 at level 1, 4 at level 2, and then 1 at level 3. He'll easily be able to read through all of these, and they'll be great for him to read to my little ones because they also enjoy Richard Scarry. So I'm excited that, you know, he'll have like motivation to encourage him in reading, and he enjoys taking care of and helping out around the house with our little ones, so I know he's going to love getting to share stories with them. So anyway, you can see that was, I think, level 2, and this is the level 3. So all of those hardcover again, and this one was $5.60, and you get, like I said, you get 6 books, so that's a great deal. Okay, the next one I got him is kind of something, kind of a keep you busy book. With our big surprise coming up in the next video, this would be perfect. It'll be something he can do like in the car. It's also something he could flip through during just like a quiet time or whatever. And because he's reading now, I'm not too concerned about the way it's done, and I'll tell you about that in a minute, but it's the Big Book of Search and Find. It's a huge book. Look at this. Look at this. This one was $4.75, and because he's reading, like I said, I'm not concerned with the fact that they use the words. Some of the search and finds, I really like it for them to have the pictures, but like if they're not reading, but this guy is reading, so I'm okay with this. And it's tons of these, tons of pictures. You can just see, it just goes on and on and on and on. They're all the same as far as the same format. And here he has a little magnifying glass that they included as well that you can pull out. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so when my second son turned 6 in December, I did a book outlet birthday box for him as well. And one of the books I got for him, I went ahead and they still had it in stock. So I got a copy for my now 8-year-old. And I paid $6.62 for this one, and it's the Usborne sticker activities book, World Wars. My little guys, this is right up their alley, but they get to dress the little people. They have the clothes, they're all stickers, and it tells you where they go, like which page and which character. And then the characters are like this, like already appropriately clothed, so you're not like, you know, they're not completely naked. So I really liked it. It's kind of cool. It's got little blurbs here about what's going on in the picture and what it's talking about, and it covers the wars, their uniforms, just all the things. So I'm excited about that. Okay, I got this guy 2 more things. Both of them I think he's really gonna like. The first one I got is this Rock On Fossils book that comes with 4 little fossils inside, guys. So cool. They have several in this series. I saw at least I think 2 more that came with the little box of things. So I'm excited about those. He, I think, will think this is really cool. And he already got like a Dino Dig set. So this goes right along with that, and I didn't even plan that. He got that from Nana, but anyway, that worked out perfect. But this one is the Rock On Fossils, and it tells them about them, tells them all about them, how they were in there. There we go. So I think he'll enjoy it. I think he'll mostly enjoy the fact that it has little fossils with it. I think that'll be his favorite part. So anyway, there's that. And we got for this, this one I paid $5.17. Okay, this guy wants to be a firefighter. He's wanted to be a firefighter for years. When he was little bitty, we bought him the fireman uniform, the whole set, and he still wears it. He still talks about being a firefighter. So I think it's pretty certain for right now that's what he's gonna be. And this one I paid $7.47. I spent a lot more for that than I normally would, but like I said, it's his favorite thing, and it is the Firefighter's Handbook. I did look up reviews on this on Amazon first, and I did see that it said that this was everybody was enjoyed it, and so I'm thinking it's gonna be a good one. I was excited to flip through it because it didn't have a lot of pictures, but it does talk about things that firemen have to do, kind of the training they go through. I think he'll like that. And some of the things they might do in the office. It's got some questions, parts of the fire truck. So I think he'll like this. I think he'll enjoy learning more about it, how to help people. So it's the Firefighter's Handbook. And like I said, that one was $7.47. So pretty good stack of books. I think he's going to be excited about them. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe because like I said, we have a big announcement coming up in the next video.